Intertools is the first DIY value comparison site. Compare price, service and availability from leading UK retailers.
Today's product is the Arrow HT50 staple and nail gun. Links in the description below. Let's get into it. Arrow HT50P hammer tacker with an all steel construction and durable chrome finish and high carbon hardened steel working parts. This hammer tacker will tackle many jobs which require speed and ideal for furniture fabrication and building insulation. It will feed and drive 2 full strips of Arrow T50 staples in 3 sizes. The features and benefits include the following: a jam resistant mechanism and a precision locked rear loading. It has retractable striking edge and specially designed power grip handles. It has a durable chrome finish and high carbon hardened steel working parts, and uses 3 sizes of T50 staples, which are 8mm, 10mm and 12mm. The applications include the following: roofing, furniture, upholstery, crates, carpenting and insulation. Arrow, which is supplied by Toolchimp, originally known as MAP UK, started in 2004. Their goal is simple: sell products from leading brands around the world at the best prices. Their mission is to create a group of websites dedicated to different but very specific ranges of products. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.